What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking about
the latest GPS offering from Tom Sachs, the Tom Sachs General Purpose Shoe, and the Pecan Field Brown colorway. All right, that's it. Tom Sachs. But before we get into the box, Nigel, if it's their first time here, what should they do?
You need to ring that notification bell right now, because we're giving you videos and you need to watch them so you can get all your shoe news.
That's right. Eat our content.
Eat it up.
Eat it up. Share it with your friends. All of that.
Good for you.
We are almost at 3K, and thanks for all the support for everybody that's been here. If it's your first time, you in for a treat. We do some great things here on the channel. At least I think we do. Check us out. Hang with us, and let's get into this shoe. All right? So the Tom Sachs General Purpose Shoe is back for its third offering, and this again is the Pecan and the Field Brown. Pecan, tomato. I copped the original, the Summit White, and I did not cop that second one, which is called the dark sulfur, the yellowish color. But this one I did like. And let me just keep talking, but also get the shoe out at the same time.
I got you.
Down for that? All right. So this is the latest from Thomas Sachs. Nigel say, he doesn't know what he thinks about it. Interesting. It's all right. Ooh, sorry, buddy. Good. Take this one out. Can you hold that for me?
Of course.
Yeah. So this is, let's first talk about the box, right? We've seen the box. You got your NikeCraft. You know, the box is this chef's kiss. I love the creativity behind the box. NikeCraft on all the sides, right? Yeah. And like a script, handwritten, Tom Sachs, general purpose shoe. You open the lid, you got a lot of verbiage here. You can pause that if you want to read it all. But basically, he's talking about recycling the shoe, reusing the shoe. Like, don't recycle it, reuse it. So, use it for something.
That's good.
And then I do like this. This is a good message, Nigel. On the bottom of the box.
Own less, do more.
There you go.
Own less, do more.
Trying to you kind of coming for me a little bit, like
coming for you.
Don't buy so many sneakers.
Yeah.
But I think it's in general, right?
But you do though. You do.
It's the opposite of do less and own more, huh?
Is that a saying?
No, I'm just saying.
Well, it is the opposite of that.
Right, it's the opposite of that. Own less, do more. He wants people to use their shoes, wear their shoes. Also, let's not just continue to buy everything. Get out and do something. Like the shoes sit in our closet. Put them on your feet. Go walk in them. Go play ball. Go take a run.
Use. Can't reuse until you use.
That's a good one. Nigel dropping gems today. All right, enough of that. Or get off our soapbox. Yeah, the sort of brown colorway, I like it, man. I think this shoe in general, if you guys have any, they're really wearable, they're really comfortable, and they're different, right? It's not another Jordan 1.
It's not.
It's not another Dunk. Not a Jordan at all, right? This is like something that's, but it's not like a dress shoe. It's not, it's not a pair of like Sebagos or Doc Size or something. It's still a Nike type
just
shoe.
A sneaker.
But it is, yeah. He said it's a boring shoe. Like even Tom Sachs said the shoe is boring, right? What do you think about this brown colorway?
What do you think about this brown colorway?
Well, see, I think, again, so we're going to go back to something we say like grown-up shoes. Like this is definitely a shoe.
Oh, that's what, you at that stage where you're just wearing like brown shoes. This is like the Jesus sandals for your generation.
No, but I think like, you got to go in an office or like a business casual office kind of casual thing. You can wear these without wearing like some hard-bottom dress shoes or like the brands that make the almost sneaker, work sneaker, you can wear these, and these are still a dope shoe, designer, all that kind of thing.
That's true.
So, I don't know.
It's definitely functional.
Yeah, functional,
right.
You can wear this with khakis, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with cargos if you want. So even if you don't like that field look, with like some cargos and a big vest, you can still rock these on the bottom half.
Nah, yeah. You could definitely put a fit together with it.
Yeah.
But why? Why the brown?
It's just another color. So they got some other colors coming, like gray. There's some other, white and red. I think I saw white and blue. And I got the original, the Summit White. So as you see, these have been worn. And I'm gonna tell you, man, these are some comfortable shoes.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to expect. Because you look at the shoe, like this midsole is like,
it looks thin, and like this looks cement and super hard.
Yeah.
And then this just looks mad thin.
Yeah, the upper of the shoe.
Yeah.
So you got this suede around the front, around that toe box. but that suede is, I mean, it keeps the shoes like form. It's really stiff.
Yeah.
So you can probably beat it. You can kick some rocks if you want to. The heel counter, little stabilizer back there is pretty stiff. You got the Nike, I guess, debossed on the back.
Debossed.
Yeah. And they do like like that script kind of like print. And it is thin. It's like a thin mesh on this top area, all around the bulk of the major part of the shoe. And let me take some papers out. You don't have a lot in this shoe because this collar area is all thin material.
Right.
But the insole is nice and cushiony.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they actually put a little strip of cushion in the back of the heel, kind of like they do in SBs, right? So that heel area.
It's tough, actually. It's like trying to make it comfortable. That's tough.
Yeah.
It's comfortable and it's functional. And you know what?
What?
I'm gonna stop hating on the brown because I could see like being able to rock a brown shoe with the right fit. You could really pull this off. So I'm not even gonna hate.
All right. I like it.
It just reminds me of like the Jesus sandals.
Maybe I could see like what's the Simpsons neighbor? His name is
Cleveland.
Not him. The other Flanders.
Flanders.
Ned Flanders. That's like the really nice guy.
Yeah.
That's like Ned Flanders. Like, hey neighbor, and he's wearing these. You know what I mean? With like some khakis and like a green sweater with a shirt under it.
It is a Ned type fit.
Ned Flanders. But I like this shoe, and as you see, this is not my size. So
what?
this is for your mom. She behind the camera didn't know.
She didn't even know.
The whole time I was thinking, this is the shoe that I love.
Right.
Wow.
She kept saying, I really like these. I really like these. I really like these. So here's
my fault for hating on your shoes, Mom.
I don't even care.
So this is weird. I don't know if I'll keep mine, but I got a pair coming on the way too because I entered the Tom Sachs raffle in my size and hit on them after I just hit on the Summit White a couple months ago. So I didn't expect to hit again on these. And I was like, oh man, I hit on those. I should have put mom size in and I didn't. But then like an outlet had them and I was able to cop real quick on my phone. And to her size, this is a size 7.5 men's, 9 women. Because they put the women's sizes first. So if you look at the box, it's actually, the 9 is on the top. Yeah.
Good.
Which is a little strange because I mean the shoe it's not feminine looking really at all. It's not overly masculine, so I guess it's just right in the middle, just like the shoe sizing, right? Like unisex.
Right.
Anybody can wear it.
It does look. I can see kind of some of both in it. It's kind of
right in the middle, right? Yeah. And on the
I
bottom.
love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Surprise, y'all. Surprise. So you got the waffle on the outside, and then this back section. It's kind of almost like a boot heel. And is that black or is that like a really dark gray? This is black. The outsole.
No, yeah, it's black.
Yeah. And then you got this crazy hard midsole. But again, underfoot, it's a comfortable walk, man. The insole is nice and cushiony. The laces, I really love the laces too. They're like these flat ribbed laces, but they tie really easily. And they don't come loose. You know what I mean? Like they stay tied and they're just easy.
That's tough, actually.
Yeah.
I feel like these are like some mud shoes. Like you could take these.
Oh, you could get them dirty.
Definitely take them dirty. And
Right.
They'll look the exact same. Right.
But even with the bright, like the Summit White, Tom Sachs is like gold. He's like, wear the shoes, beat them up, get them dirty, wear them in.
That's good. He wants you to like wear your stuff.
They're general purpose.
Right.
So what's the purpose of the shoe?
General.
Yeah, you're not playing ball in them or, running a couple miles. Just everything else.
You could. Just do anything.
Anything. General.
Anything in 'em.
Y'all feeling this colorway? Nigel, rating, quick. Right off the cuff. What you got? Ooh. 5, 6, 7?
I would say like 6.
All right. I like the shoe, the silhouette. I like the brown color. I'd say 7.5. You know?
All right. That's good.
At 110,
That's not
I mean, it's
outlandish.
an easy purchase. And that's another thing. Don't go paying resale for these shoes. Right now, I mean, the demand isn't crazy high. Like resale for these, I think is like $20 higher, like $130.
Okay.
Not that it matters because I really buy what I like. I don't care about the resale value. But these, on the other hand, are like the resale value is about $350. Why? I mean, it's just a more in-demand color. It's crazy. Same shoe. So $130, $350. They both sold for $110. Anyway, that's the shoe. Let me know what you think down in the comments.
Rating?
My rating. Oh, my rating.
You said 7.5. Let's
I
go.
did. Look at,
What
I
do you
did.
think?
Thanks for hanging out, y'all. Come back for the next one.
Peace.